Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and I'm going to do a video, but I wanted to show you where I was. There's a Quest Diagnostics Center here in Hoffman Estates off of Higgins Avenue, and this has always been the easiest place to get my blood drawn. You just go online, reserve a spot. I bought my own blood test orders, and you don't need a doctor for that. I'll show you what to do later. And I came over here, they got me in and out. There's hardly anybody in the parking lot. I don't have to go through a big hospital, and I'm done. So let me show you how to get it.
That it's easy to essentially order your own test without having to go to a doctor's office. The only problem is knowing what to order. I'll get to that in a second. So this is called walk-in lab, and this allows you or your physician to order tests. If you see their landing page, it gives you a bunch of different categories that you can click all the tabs on. This is a little description of who Walk-in Labs is. I clicked on the green tab next to the search engine called View All Tests, and it comes up with several different categories all on the left bar. I'm going to go down to men's specific tests. And here you see there's 6 different tabs underneath men's specific tests that you can click on. We'll go to hormone testing, and there's a plethora of different hormone tests. Hormone number 1 baseline blood test panel for men seems complete. I like the ingredients. I can't understand why LabCorp is $269 and why Quest is $209, but that'll make me lean into Quest. So I clicked on that, added it to my cart. You can see that these are my purchases in the cart. Double check before proceeding to checkout. Then if you don't have a login, you can create an account. It starts with checkout methods. Remember, you'll be ordering this on your own, especially if you have no medical insurance or you don't really have a provider. For example, if you just wanted to see if your COVID-19 antibodies are positive or not. So you'll be putting your email for you to receive the results. Fill out the billing, payment, and order review. And this is your card. I do not think that this is reimbursable to your insurance company, but you can always check. Then there's payment method, and right before I place the order, I double check that that's the test that I want. At this point, if you check your email, you'll see a message from Walk-in Lab, and you can click on this. And then you'll be allowed to print up this order sheet that you take with you to whichever lab you choose. I just happen to think Quest is a little easier than LabCorp. Finally, Walk-in Labs will also give you a lab locator here. So I put my address in, and I put down that I'd rather have Quest more so than LabCorp. And it took me straight to Quest Schedule an Appointment search engine. After putting the zip code, you'll see there's a couple places near me. I'm going to pick Hoffman Estates. And it gives you more options, but I choose Hoffman Estates because I know that these guys are open early at the time that I usually wake up. This is just to confirm the address, the options for the times that they have available, and I'll schedule an appointment. You have to go through a couple of questionnaires. I purchased my own test, and it's not COVID-19, so it's all other. And just to confirm that I've already purchased these. Now for the center that I chose, it gives me a couple of different dates. For my patients, especially if we're getting hormone tests, I want my guys and gals to come in early in the morning. And if I wake up at 5:30, I have to get as close as I can to that approximate wake up time. And here is the earliest time they have available, 6:10 a.m. I choose that, just fill in the information on who is coming for the test. And this is the confirmation code that shows up on the Quest website, but I also get the same in my email. This is the email that confirms I have an appointment, so I'll print this up and bring it to the Quest Diagnostic Lab station, in addition to the order from Walk-in Labs. And that is all you need to order your own tests. The only question would be which tests are necessary, and that might be the crux of your problem, but if you know that you just want a COVID-19 test or a fasting cholesterol test or say an insulin test, as long as you know when to order it, you can get that done and then bring the results to your doctor. If your doctor is just used to ordering cursory tests and you want something more definitive to fine-tune your direction of lifestyle change, you can certainly come to me via my Herbal 411 new patient consult. I practice integrative medicine, which includes functional testing, so I can be very helpful to you in your journey. And no question, if you have HMO insurance, then you cannot get rid of your doctor, but you can hire me on the side to help with fine-tuning your lifestyle change. Hopefully this gives you a couple of ideas on how you can empower yourself without having to go to your doctor or request it from your doctor's office. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this with other people who might be in the same predicament of not having a doctor or not having insurance, but yet being able to fine-tune their lifestyle change. Stay healthy, eat right, exercise, and I'll see you at the next video.